Oh yeah. Can I do it? Yes. Then give me some leaves and I tell you where to put them.
Okay, girls.
Get ready.
3, 2, 1, how'd you know?
Now.
Are you okay? Whoa, so windy.
I know. The winds blow me. So you're 290. Sometimes wind makes me fall down.
I was just checking something.
Come on, let's get one here.
What? Where? Oh, I thought that car was gonna park here. Sorry. For those who know or something, but that car is good.
Look, this looks like poison.
Whoa, I like that leaf. Pretty. Oh! Jump down. And 3.
I got a big leaf, guys. Look.
Oh, that's so.
Thanks. It's okay. Let's get
Ooh,
some grass.
we dropped some.
Let's get some
Wait, we're
grass.
gonna make the bird nest there.
Oh no. Yes.
Oh.
It has to be big.
Ew.
Let's put more sticks there.
Let's put the bird back in the box.
We need to break it. Can you break some? Here. Thanks. I'll break.
Whoa! That nearly hurt me, girls. Check that out.
Thank you.
Hit the worms.
Worms? Where? No, I was blowing. I was kidding. No worms.
Whoa!
No.
We should have made the bird nest inside.
We can't do that.
Well, we can make it somewhere secret.
Aha! I know just where the spot. Over.
Where?
Over.
Where you going?
Yeah. Some feathers. Put the bird nest over here. Feathers?
Why is there 3 girls out here when they're little? And I'm the little one here too.
I need some more. Just a little bit more.
Ew. Candy. Who left candy in the
I
box?
need a little bit more sticks. I need a little bit more sticks.
Okay, I've got this one. Like really small.
Okay, now I need some grass.
Cool.
I need some grass, guys.
Okay.
Look, I need some grass. Oh no, it's blowing. I got some anything, Daddy. Now I need some grass, guys.
What? did you just hit the stairs and got scared? Ow. That scared me.
Now some grass, guys.
Okay. Okay. I was about to say when Halima throws that giant big. Ew.
Thanks, guys. I got some grass as well.
Yeah.
Ew.
Disgusting.
We didn't find any feathers.
What? Huh?
Lots of times I find those feathers. Lots of times. Look at this bird nest. It's like a mini one.
I don't like this.
Look, leaves.
Okay, I'm gonna.